Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Bobby with the Spectrum Horde, and today I bought something that I said I wasn't gonna buy because there are no bunny options, but they're really super cute because this is the Baby 3 Fortune Cat zipper bag. Look at all of them, so cute. Said I wasn't gonna buy anything that wasn't rabbit related, but I got so lucky with the last bag I bought, I wanted to try my luck again. Let's see. Super cute bag. Uh-oh. Well, that sure didn't go well. Which one did we get? The American short-hair cat. Oh, I didn't get lucky, but I got both eyes. But that's still pretty cute. Little pouch. I guess it doesn't come with a strap. So cute. I like the little cat face on the hood. I think it's kind of tucked in there. Anywho, thanks for watching. If y'all like what we do, don't forget that hit that like, comment, and subscribe button.